question I would like to ask you is that what is how the exam pattern of CFM is different in different aims, and how to maintain a common question bank from all our CFM exams? Can you please enlighten us on this one?
For question bank, I think in our college it's all objective type pattern. So we used to read thoroughly. Each and every line we had to read because they used to make questions by themselves. So any question can be asked to you. For us, I think we didn't maintain any question bank, but we had some ready-made question banks from online, which we read for family medicine. And for community medicine, we used to read this UG wala question bank, but it was not much more helpful for us. For basic only, it was helpful.
Okay. And
so, bank, if you want to make, you all can join together, and whatever exam is going on, you gather all questions and make a question bank. You will have to do it yourself.
In AIIMS case, it is completely objective exams, like objective questions, ma'am, or you write?
It is completely objective pattern.
Yes, final exams it's completely objective, and I think for internal nowadays they have included some 5 marks questions or 2 marks questions also. For finals, it is completely objective.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Next question I would like.
So if you want some exam pattern, we are not that much good for that. So you should consult your seniors who had given the exam. So because our examination concept is completely different from other aims, so we are not that much helpful.
Other people might help you. Other AIIMS people might help you. What are their pattern? You can gather the questions. You can make a question bank, and at least before exams, you can revise them.
Okay.